Yes. So one of the things I do all the time is organize meetings with a ton of people in them. And there are some tricks that I want to show you on how to organize their responses because you definitely do not want to keep track of it one by one, kind of the way that Outlook shows it. So you can see exactly who's going, who's not going, so you can follow up on those who haven't responded or those who have marked tentative. I will show you a way to make this a whole lot easier. So I have opened up my Outlook in the calendar view and I'm going to show you how to get this done. So let's set up a meeting first. And I'm going to send it out. In this case, I don't really care for the location. Anyway, so once you go back into the meeting, you will see that you have this tracking button. And if you click on it, you will see the whole list of attendees to the meeting. And obviously, in this case, there's only one. But if you have, say, even 30 or 40, 50, hundreds of attendees, there's really no easy way to sort them in here. You can't sort by their response. Somehow Outlook has not figured that part out yet. But what you can do is you can click here, or if you have different versions of Outlook, you may have the button over kind of in this area. It will show the option to copy status to clipboard. So click on that. And what you'll want to do is just go into an Excel spreadsheet and click paste. And this is a bit of a shorter list, so I'm just going to go ahead and pre-fill it with more attendees so we have more data to play with. All right, so this is what it would typically look like once you have copied in your data. So what you'll want to do is double click on these fields so that it makes it easier to read. This part I usually get rid of. It's really not needed for what we're doing here, so I'm just going to delete that. And then select all of your data and create a table out of it. So this table does have headers, as you can see. So I'm going to click that and hit OK. And once you have everything nicely in a table, you're able to sort it. So in this case, if you want to follow up with people, for example, you can just select the ones that are none and tentative. So do that and then just take these names. You can actually hit copy and then go into your Outlook and in the to fields, just paste them all in. Outlook is smart enough to know that these people are from your list. So basically it will pre-fill all the information like their email addresses and everything. And that's obviously for internal contacts. So if you are organizing with external parties, you might have to actually type in their proper email addresses. But if this is an internal thing, then most likely you'll be able to just copy paste this in and it will pre-fill the actual email addresses from that. Another really neat thing you can do is you can get a counter going here to see how many people have responded with which response. So in this case, I am looking for how many people have accepted it. So I'm going to type in equals CountIF, open a bracket, select the range of data, put a comma, and in quotation marks, put in the response that you're looking for. So accepted is the one I'm looking for. Close the bracket, hit enter, and you will see that it gives the count of how many people have accepted. So, and if you want to use the other functions here, all you have to do is just replace this word with the one that you're looking for. So I'm just going to be lazy about it and paste it over here and type in the other words. There we go, and you can see the count continues. So just fill in the ones that you're looking for and you'll have a much easier way to track how many responses you have in each category. Now, another really neat thing you can do is share with somebody who is attending an event. So the way you would do that is click here on the sorting button and just select the accepted. And then you can copy this into a new message and it will actually keep all the formatting and look really pretty. So just paste it in there and then you can share it with whoever else is going to your event. I hope this makes your work a ton easier when it comes to organizing meetings. Give me a thumbs up if you're going to be using this strategy and hope you have an awesome day. I will see you back next week. Bye.